I am loving this color, especially on my little brown skin. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaden, aka Baby J. For those who are new here, if you ain't new, you already know the deal. I'm big in my cheetah print bonnet as always. Today I'll be doing a video on this wig. It'll be real quick, straight to the point. I'm not gonna waste y'all time today. We're gonna get right into this wig because it's really cute and I'm ready to install it because I'm ready to just look like a different person for no reason because I like to switch it up. So we finna get straight to this wig, but before we get started, make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to help me out because it really helps me out. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a highlighted bob wig. It's really cute. Here's the inside. It's a closure wig, and then it has two straps at the bottom. I really like this wig because it came with the strap already inside the wig. So yeah, let's get right into it. It's already cute. It's already cute. Like, come on. Gonna get this part together real quick.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Okay y'all, so this is the final result. So I'm gonna tell you guys the details about this wig. This wig was like $97, I think. It was under 100. It was $96.90. when I bought it. This is the highlighted piano wig. That's kind of the title of it, and I will leave the link to this wig down in the description box below. I got this from Megalux Hair. It has a 4x4 closure, and this is a 12-inch bob. So let's talk about what I liked about this wig and what I didn't like about this wig. Let's get into the cons first, because we already start with the cons. So I didn't like that it was shedding while I was watching it. It shedded, but it didn't shed a lot. I proceeded to pluck it, and it shed after that, but I think the extra hairs from me plucking were just coming out, so I don't think it was the wig itself shedding, but I could be wrong. It wasn't nothing drastic, but there was shedding for sure. Like, it's bulky where the closure stops. Like, I don't like how bulky it is where the closure stops, but it could just be because I'm not used to wearing closures like anymore. I'm always used to wearing like frontals, so that could be just it. And then I also don't like how bulky the cap is. The cap is really bulky. I have a really small head, so this wig doesn't really fit me. It came with a band already attached to the wig, which I really liked, but still a little bit big on my head for some reason. I just have a little pea head. Like, my head is little, but I just don't like how bulky the cap is. The cap is really bulky in my opinion. Like, the hair is great, the lace is great, but the cap is bulky. It's really bulky, and if you buy this wig you would know what I mean, but literally it's bulky right here because of the cap, not even because of the hair. It's because of the cap. Those are the two things that I feel like I really don't like about the wig. So let's get into the pros of this wig. First of all, I really like the length. I like the way that they cut it. The color is so pretty, you guys. Like, I'm really in love with the color. I love how deep the lace on the closure goes. Under $100. The texture of this hair, like, it's really soft. I haven't had no problems with it. It has not been tangling or anything. That's about it. Like, I really didn't have many problems with this hair at all. I really love how the blonde is underneath and on top. I love how there's different browns in it. It's just really cute. The lace is a kind of harder lace. The lace is a little bit on the harder side. I don't really mind harder lace. This is a really cute wig. It's probably like 150, 180 density. So yeah, I really do like this wig. If I had to rate it, I would give it I would give it like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. This is called the highlighted piano wig on Megalux Hair. I will make sure to leave a link to this wig down in the description box below for anybody who wants to purchase it. I want to thank you guys for watching my video today. I love seeing y'all here. Y'all know I love seeing y'all here, and I hope to see you guys next time. Make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, y'all, thanks for stopping here at Baby Jay's.